Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into shopify.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various things, but before let's know what is Shopify. So Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify through that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So first of all you have to do is just click over apply now. Once you do that, you will find this page. So let's wait, and you have here apply to become a Shopify affiliate. So we click over sign up, and once you do that, you will find other page which is Shopify content terms for Shopify. So if you scroll down, you have just to click over accept. After you read this information and you accept, so you'll find other page. Here we have sign up and start earning. To get started, please sign up and create an account. You can all sign up with your email, your Apple, Facebook, Google, X, or LinkedIn. After that, you will find other page which is sign up with your email. First name, your last name, your username, and you write your email address, your password, your phone number, and you choose your country. Then you click over get started. Once you do that, you will find other page which is how would you categorize your business. Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. Then we have your social influencer. My audience follows me for entertainment, education, and community, and they engage with your social native content that we produce. Then we have your content and reviews, loyalty and rewards, tell and coupons. We have your email and newsletter, search and comparison, network, technology and solution, cross audience monetization. Then you can just click over continue and you'll find this page at social. You can add more than one accounts from each type of social platforms. We have your Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, and we go. Then we have your just about yourself. So choose if you are work individual. I'm an individual or creator who promotes brands across by my own media properties. You have your company. So if you choose the first one, you have to write your account display name, country or region, first street address, second street address, city, zip code. You have time zone here, currency also, and then you click over submit. If you are a company, you have to do is your account display name, company website, LinkedIn company page, country and region, first street address, second street address, city, zip code, and time zone, and choose here your currency and you submit. This is how it works. Then if we come back, we have you become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify points of sale. Then we have here two ways to refer and earn. The first one, Shopify plan refers, get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have your Shopify Post Pro referrals, earn up to $115 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. If we scroll down, we have here join thousands of affiliates from across the globe. We have here content creators, course educators, influencers, and review sites are helping their audience launch successful businesses on Shopify while earning competitive referral commissions and elevating themselves as leaders in the industry. Then we have here we are committed to your success. We help you make the most referrals possible with resources to support your content development and assess your referral traffic's conversion rate, get access to a library of global creative ready-made education and lead magnets and detailed performance insights draw your personal dashboard. Then if you scroll down, we have here frequently asked questions. For example, what is Shopify affiliate program? The Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach the audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. The program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. We have here what requirements do I need to meet to apply. To apply, you must first own and run an active website, have an established audience, create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos, then have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms, have read and agreed to the Shopify Partner Program Agreement. So, if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify Affiliate Program, here are some strategies and tips for each one. So, the first one we have YouTube. So, for example, we have this person that explain how you can top 10 Shopify dropshipping products for February. So, if we scroll down, we have here the link. If you click over the link, you will get a commission. So this is how it works with Shopify. So he just advised people to use the link to go to Shopify and start earning money with it. So this is how you can get started with Shopify. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and build trust, as I mentioned before. By producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos, you can showcase the benefits of various products sold to Shopify stores. Then we have TikToks. So TikTok thrives on creativity and short-form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick product demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds, you can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your bio link to direct followers to afford products and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify fans to increase visibility. Then we have the last one, which is Instagram. So Instagram is perfect for visually showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing. So by utilizing shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your images, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video. But before, let's know other information about how it works with Instagram. So Instagram, you can additionally creating engaging reels can help you tap into a broader audience while highlighting product features in a dynamic way. So each platform offers unique opportunities to effectively promote your Shopify affiliate links, so experimenting with different formats and strategies is key to finding what works best for you. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video.